Hi, welcome. Simon here, and I hope you're doing well. In this video, I'd like to talk about the screwdriver that I'll be using. As you guys have known me for a while, I do make a lot of computer repair videos. That would be like laptop, desktop, iPhone, iPad, Apple, Windows, you name it. I have a lot of videos regarding about disassemble, and I do need to have a good set of screwdriver. So I'd like to talk about this box right here that I got, and I'd like to introduce the screwdriver from now on. So this has the 145 pieces of the screwdriver bit set that you can use. So let me show you what is inside the box. So the first thing you would see is the magnet mat. So this is what we call the screw memory mat, meaning that when you take things apart, when you take the screws out of the laptop or your phones or whatnot, this is the magnetic pad that would help you and guide you to know where the screw is going to be, and you can easily identify and put them back together. So this is a good thing to have and must have, I can tell you that. Alright, so in this plastic bag, you can see there's some plastic prying tools on it. So let's take a look here what they got. So you would have few of this like a guitar pick. So this kind of a plastic guitar pick, it's just for you to use it on your iPad. So for example, if you have a cracked screen on your iPad and you would like to kind of pry it open, let me show you the iPad here. So for example, if you have iPads that you need the screen repair, and you can use this plastic guitar pick to kind of help you, guide you to level and separate the broken glass. So they comes with quite a few of this guitar pick, the plastic pick here. You kind of have 6 of them in total. Okay, so that is a good use for prying things up, and that would be what the purpose of this plastic is for. And let's talk about what else is here. So they do have some of the strap, and I believe this strap here is the anti-static strap, meaning that when you work on laptops, you want to discharge any of the static that built in your body, right? Sometimes you walk in a carpet, especially in an AC environment. If you're in the office, definitely you get charged by dragging your feet or your shoe, or you wear some kind of jeans and whatnot, you scrub yourself, then you get electric static charge on your fingers. So having this wristband here would help you to discharge any of the statics while you're working on the electronic stuff. So good tools to have, and I highly recommend you to use it. Alright, let's put that on the side here. So let's take a look at what is in the box, right? So this is pretty much a cloth for you to clean things up. That's pretty much it in the box here. So the important thing is to talk about this right here. So let's take a look at what is in this box. Okay, so it's still in a plastic, and I need to have something to cut it up. So definitely one of the best tools that I would recommend you guys to have it, because I find the price is very cheap. Let me bring you to the page where I bought it from. Okay, so let me switch it over here. So if you take a look, this is the Amazon website, and this is sold by Vmantec company, and it is part of Amazon Prime, and is shipped from Amazon. So if you're an Amazon Prime shopper, by all means go ahead and get it from Amazon, right? It's a free shipping, get it fast and free shipping. Amazon Prime, there you have it. All right, so this company is from Vmantec, and this is what I got it from, $23.99. It has 145 pieces of the tools that you can use in one screwdriver. How amazing is that, right? pretty much it says the magnetic electronics, screwdriver set, watch, iPhone, computers, camera, you name it, they have it all. And they have a good rating, 4.7 out of 5. All right, so these are some of the drill bits that they have, the screw bits that they have here. So take a look here. Let me bring you back to my screen. So let's take a look at what is in the box here. Okay, so let's take a look. Pretty nice, I like it. Okay, so suction cup, you know, if you want to suck it up your screen, suction cup is good. If you're not sure what this is very important. Okay, I would definitely need to have a good set of this. Okay, I just want to tell you that this is what we call the strip screw extractor. So if you strip your screw, like a laptop screws, anything that you strip, you can use this drill bit to extract the broken screw. Okay, I do have a separate video that I show you on how to extract strip screw. So if you're interested to learn how to extract the screws, go ahead and watch that video. I'll try to link it in the description below for you. Okay, this is the screwdriver, and pretty much it is it has a good, I would say, a silicone rubber, something like a rubber, a good grip. So the grip is pretty good, it's soft. Okay, and this is what we call the extension. So if you have difficult location where you try to go in and remove the screw or tighten the screw and you do not have a good angle to get in, this one here allows you to bend and unscrew. So what you want to do is you want to have let's take a look here. Let's see what kind of things that we can have here. Let's just say that we're going to use a T8 torque 8 screwdriver. Okay, so if you want to get underneath that here and you can't get in, so you want to hold your finger right at this tip here. So this plastic here allows you to twist and turn, meaning that you can turn it around and you can turn your screw on one side. Okay, as you can turn, you can see that the thing is turning. All right, so this is the extension where you can bend over to the place that you can't get through it. Okay, so let's put that aside. Let's get back here to the main one. Let's see what else they have. Suction cup. These are what we call the plastic prying tool, and also this is the extension. This extension here is just strictly for straight on. So if you have something that is straight on, I believe, oh, this is the extension. I did not know that. So what is this for? Something else? I'm not sure. I need to make some research and see what is this for. I can't really tell what is the purpose of that one. Let me see if they have anything. Not sure what this is for. I'll look it up. Hey, if you know what is that for, please comment in the description below. I'd like to learn what is exactly this is for, because the extension is already in here. This allows you to extend whatever length that you want. So simply by just pulling down this little clipper, and then you can extend it as you want and close it. So whatever length you want, it would lock it down after. Okay, so that is that. Let's move on to the next part here. And they do have a lot of choices for you to choose from. Okay, and right here, I believe these are the extra drill bits, the common one that you use most of the time. Maybe those are extra for you. Here is what we have, is called magnetize, demagnetize, meaning that if you have some screwdriver that you want to magnetize it before you unscrew it so that the screw will stick together, this is what you can do and recharge your screwdriver. Okay, let's move on to the next one. I like to talk a little bit about what are the things that you can use in the screwdriver, right? You know the purpose of the screwdriver, and let's talk about what are the things that I usually do and what are the things that you need it. So this is what I say, this is one of the top 2022 screwdriver set that I believe is the best. All right, so if you talk about iPhone, so this is the iPhone 13. Let's just say this is iPhone 13 Pro, and if you want to remove the 2 screw here at the bottom, what do? You can use what we call the P2 screwdriver, the 0.8. Let's look for the 0.8. I wonder where is that 0.8. We have the 000. These are the tiny ones. Okay, there's a lot of screw here. I should have studied before. Okay, I see 0.8 right there. There's a star 0.8. You see that right there, star 0.8. So that is Pentalobe P2 or the star 0.8. That is the size of the screwdriver. So this screwdriver here, it goes in, and therefore you can remove the 2 screw here at the bottom. So that is the 2 screw for the iPhone 13 Pro. Any of the iPhone, this is the drill bits that you can use it for, right? So this is the 0.8. Let me remove that screw all the way. There you go. That is the screw. It's magnet, right? It is already magnetized, then it's very easy. So iPhone repair, you have it. This is the screw that you would definitely need to have for your iPhone repair. Okay, so iPhone, any iPhone, iPhone 13 Pro, iPhone 7 Plus, you name it, you do need to have the screwdriver to remove the screw here at the bottom of the phone. All right, so that is a must to have for the repair. And also all iPhones, right, they do need to have what we call the tri screwdriver, or the Y shape of the screwdriver. Let me find that for you here. See if I have it here. It's a Y screwdriver. Y, where are you? Right here, Y. So 0.8, 0.6. This is the tri screwdriver, or the Y screwdriver, that's 0.6. Okay, and you need to use this a lot for the screws that you're going to remove on the iPhones. Okay, so they have that too for this. Let's move on to the next one. So what are the things that you're going to need to use mostly? Let's talk about the Apple, right? So the MacBook Pro, this is MacBook Pro A1706. 1706, the back cover here uses Pentalobe Screwdriver P5. So P5, I believe, is it a 1.2? Let's try, okay? All right, so Pentalobe P5. Pentalobe P5 is the screwdriver that I use, which is the 5 pointy stuff, that is the 1.2. Okay, so that would be for that. Again, you need to have this screwdriver here to work on your MacBook Pro. Okay, so this is the MacBook Pro 13-inch A1708, and of course there are other tools that you need to have. For example, T4 is a very common one that we need to use. T4 is the Torque 4 screwdriver. Torque 8 is for the hinges for the LCD screen. So those are some of the screws that you need to have for this repair for MacBook, right? So MacBook is covered, so I'm not worried about that. Let's talk about MSI computer. If you have MSI laptop computer and you want to work on it, like for example, increase the RAM, remove the hard drive, or maybe get into the heat sink and whatnot, they usually use what we call the Phillips screwdriver. So if you have a plus Phillips, let's use Phillips screwdriver. what size should I use? Where are you, Philip? Maybe we can use Philip 1. Okay, so this is a Phillips screwdriver, PH1, and PH1 would be easily remove the screw, anything off the laptop. So MSI computer laptop, you have it, right? So Phillips screwdriver, PH1, that would do the trick. And most of the Windows laptop, either MSI or Asus, Lenovo, you name it, they usually use a Phillips screwdriver, the PH1. So MSI, you are covered. If you need a repair, get that screwdriver. All right, let's move on to the next one. We don't have time to waste here. So it's Lenovo. Take a look at Lenovo. If you need a repair on your Lenovo, Phillips screwdriver again, PH1, you have it, and it is all covered in this screwdriver set. So I don't think I want to talk more about it. Actually, you know already, any laptops would do, any phones, any iPads, you name it, it would cover and do the jobs. Okay, so even for the Chromebook, it would actually work for this repair of the tools. Okay, so anyway, again, let me bring you back to the page here, and let's take another look here at the very page. So this is the product that I would like to name it, and just want to share what I learned in my past experience. You need to have a good set of screwdriver. This is what I would recommend you to use in my profession, that this screwdriver set is complete. You can actually ready to go and just get one of this, and you can pretty much work on any screws, any computers, any repair. All right, so I hope that this video helps to determine what screwdriver to buy, and I appreciate you for watching this. If you have any question, comment below, and of course I am going to read your comment and tell me what is that metal piece right this is for. I do not know what this is for, so just comment below, let me know. Again, this is the drill bit. It's not for you to unscrew stuff. Okay, this is for you to extract broken screw. And check the link in the description below. I do want to share the link through Amazon where you can buy this from, so make sure you check the description in the link below, that it will direct you to Amazon. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye now.